Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Pisces for your general energies, career situation and relationship Pisces. We are picking few cards guys. So these are for your general energies Pisces. If you want more clarity in your situation guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy guys Pisces. So let's see what are these cards. We have King of Swords, Nine of Swords and Eight of Swords. Pisces, in your situation today guys, in your work or in your career situation or in your relationship, you are seeing a lot of stressful situations, confusions, and you don't know what you need to do, what is the right thing to do today. And maybe you are in a very responsible position in life. Maybe you are a team manager or someone holding a place of authority and power, making important choices. And today you don't know where things are, guys. Maybe some delays, suspensions, or some troubles in your work, or some misunderstandings, quarrels in this relationship. That is stressing you a lot, worrying you a lot. You don't know which way to go, guys. Proceed. You may see some delays or suspensions of projects or assignments in your work, and you feel stuck, unable to make a move, see things clearly, guys. And maybe for some of you, there is some kind of news waiting, guys. Maybe it may be a sad news or a bad news, guys. Maybe in your situation, the projects or assignments, maybe in your work, that may get suspended at the nick of the moment. So what you expected, it's not coming towards you today, guys. And whatever efforts you are putting in, all your efforts are getting wasted. Again, that may make you worried a lot, stress you a lot, and you are unable to make a move, guys. Maybe think with clarity, decide for yourself. And maybe in this, in your love or in your work, you are maybe having some kind of an illness, and that is affecting you a lot, affecting your work potential or affecting the way your situation is in your relationship, guys. So some kind of troubles because of that. So that is what I see, guys. Or it may be some troubles in your relationship because of your illness, or because of some financial worries, or some troubles in your work. You are seeing you are unable to be happy or even spend time with this person you love. So some kind of confusions are there today. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity in your situation, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. Stay tuned for that, guys. That is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, first you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So let's start the reading after a few seconds, and I'll be starting with this card, guys. Okay, guys, So now let's start the reading with this first card. Let's see what it is. Greet the dawn. Such a beautiful card here, guys. And the meaning of this card, maybe in your situation, you are inviting something new. It may be a new beginning, a new love, or an opportunity coming your way. And every day is an opportunity for us to start fresh, guys. Start with that clean slate. So, whatever that has happened yesterday, we are given a chance to do things differently today, and that is in our hands. And a new day invites us with that inner light of love and beauty. So, if we accept that invitation and radiate beauty and happiness to the surroundings around us, it will touch the lives of people around us, and it will give them warmth and the change the way the things are going in your situation and in their life, guys. So you don't have to take on the world, you just have to do your best. Simply do the things that you love to do. Do not force anything to happen, and let your day to flow as it should, guys, with that sense of gratitude in your heart and acceptance towards the gifts and challenges that day is bringing to you. So that is what this card means, guys. So in your situation today, guys, maybe if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to get someone new. And if you are hurt in the past, this is the time for you to let go of all that and move towards a fresh start in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have the poison apple, jealousy. So in your situation today, guys, for those who chose this card, there are few offers tempting you, really being offered to you or in your situation, but you should think about it again and again. Think it with clarity before you take up that apple. It may be poison, guys, so you have to be really careful. And you need to understand that even if you have made that choice, you need not fear that choice, guys, because you will recover. And the pain you go through in this situation because you have accepted some kind of a temptation in your situation, it is going to gift you with that experience, and you are going to get that true insight and clarity in your life and in your relationship. And also, you are someone who is the target of jealousy in your situation. People really around you are really jealous of you of some things, guys. Maybe your talents, your skills, your beauty, or your life. So they are jealous, and they are not to be trusted. You have to be really careful. Even if you know someone for a long time now, and even if they are your true friend, if there are some choices involved with them or they are pushing you towards something, you have to think it through, guys. Think for yourself. This is the time to be skeptical, and you cannot trust anyone in this present circumstance. That is what I would say with this card. So you have to be really careful when you're making important decisions in your life today, in your relationship today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.